Hi, my name is James Barber and I worked on the industrial design of Fairphone 3. I'd like to talk about our product. Our goal has always been to design a tough, well-made, repairable phone that lasts as long as possible. The prevailing industry trend is beautiful, sleek tech that is glued together and impossible to repair. So what happens if something breaks? Most of this tech is disposable. We design our Fairphone with modules. So if anything breaks, the module can be easily swapped without replacing the whole phone. To make this easier, our phone has guidance and instructions on the inside, directing the user to the part that needs to be replaced. Even if you are very careful with your phone, the battery will eventually degrade and stop charging. This happens to all phones. We decided to make the battery the easiest part to replace by simply removing the outer cover, taking out the old battery, and putting in a new one. All of this is squeezed into a tight package which fits comfortably in the hand. The back cover has a fine textured finish, allowing the phone to be easily gripped, while the side keys have a distinctive tactile surface. We are proud of our phone, inside and out, and because transparency is such an important part of the Fairphone story, our phone is transparent too.